Welcome to the MA2 for users of the Series 1 grandMA line of consoles. These videos are just a short look at what's different and what you'll find familiar. First, let's take a look at the front panel of the console. The full-size console has two sets of 15 motorized executor faders, giving the programmer a total of 30. The light and the ultralight each offer 15. Each executor fader has two buttons above and one button below, all of which are assignable. In addition, we have dedicated executor buttons. These are located on the bottom row below the faders. There are 30 dedicated executor buttons on the full-size grandMA2 and 15 on the light and the ultralight. Moving to the right, we'll find our page control keys for changing the pages of the faders or the buttons, and also for putting the faders into channel control mode. The Master Playback Fader section contains our go, go back, pause, and two customizable motorized faders assigned to the currently selected executor. Here we have the X keys, which can be used as additional executor buttons or as programmable user keys. The multi-touch screen above gives programmers a new level of control, allowing for more dynamic and intuitive edits. It can also be used as an additional monitor in conjunction with the screens above for different control forms. The main control panel is our command area. Here you'll find the numeric keypad, executor command keys, fixture control keys like next, previous, full, highlight, and solo, and all of the other commands you'd expect to find at your fingertips. This encoder wheel acts as a level wheel for the fixtures. The Grandmaster for the desk is a motorized fader with a blackout key. The trackball can function as a positioning trackball for your automated fixtures, or as a mouse, or on the ultralight as a level wheel. Above are your menu keys, where the programmer can access the console setup features, change or load a show file, or even get help. To the right are two USB ports, which are useful for plugging in a USB memory stick or for an external mouse or keyboard. And finally, we have the front-facing power key. All of the keys on the console are backlit and dimmable. Across the top of the console, you'll find your three main 15.4-inch widescreen touchscreens, the contents of which can be controlled, changed, and altered. Below each screen is a screen encoder that allows you to scroll around within a window. The bottom of the left side screens display what's assigned to the executor faders and buttons below. The right side of each monitor offers your view buttons. The bottom section of the right monitor relates to the encoders underneath. This encoder toolbar displays the current function of the encoder wheels and allows access to additional functions on these wheels. To the right of this screen, you have hard keys that reference the on-screen buttons, which can be used to change the contents of your monitors. By pulling out the armrest below the console, you'll find multiple drawers, some for storage and one containing a built-in keyboard. Within one of your storage drawers, you'll also find an additional USB port. To raise or lower the screens of the MA2, simply hold down the MA key and press either the up or down keys. If you wish to manually move the screens, hold down the MA key and press the set key.